Good morning. This is the special broadcast coverage of the coronavirus crisis using the combined forces of TV5 and Cignal TV's 1 News, Radio 5, and 1PH. Also joining us on occasion will be our 1 News partners from the Philippine Star and Business World. We're bringing in Carlo Castillo, who's on the line with us all the way from Monumento in Caloocan City. Carlo, we understand na maraming naging aberya sa boundary ng Valenzuela at Bulacan itong nakalipas na mga araw. Pero meron bang naging pagbabago?
Alam mo, Jovi, kung ikukumpara nga ang naging sitwasyon kahapon, mas naging maayos ang sistema dito sa boundary ng MacArthur Highway na naghahati sa Valenzuela at may kawayan sa Bulacan sa nakalipas na magdamag. Wala tayong nakitang barikada, walang naharang at walang naganap na standoff. Sabi nga ng mga otoridad, tila mas nakinig at mas naging hindi matigas ang ulo ng publiko. Sa kaliwat ka ng advisory yan sa media, kaugnay sa enhanced community quarantine ay pinatutupad ngayon sa buong Luzon. Karamihan sa mga tumawid, Jovi, sa border ay yung mga truck na may mga kaukulang dokumento na nagpapatunay ng mga supply at pagkain ang dala-dala nila. Malaking bagay rin ang pagsuspindi ng gobyerno sa lahat ng mga pampublikong sasakyan. Alam mo, Jovi, isang malaking karatula ang nasa may border kung saan naroon yung tent ng mga pulis, mga taga-DOH, health workers at mga barangay tanod na nagsasabing kooperasyon at pasensya para sa kaligtasan ng ating pamilya. Umaasa naman ang otoridad na ganito rin ang magiging sitwasyon ngayong buong araw hanggang mamayang hating gabi na nagresulta nga sa maayos na sistema at banayad na daloy ng trapiko na nagdudugtog sa isang bahagi ng Metro Manila, ito yung Valenzuela City, at sa Region 3. Na unang bubungad dito ay ang mga bayan ng May Kawayan, Marilao, Bukawi at Santa Maria sa probinsya yan ng Bulacan. Jovi?
Carlo, kamustahin ko lang yung mga frontliners natin, yung mga health workers, pati na rin yung mga sundalo at pulis. Kung sila ba ay well-protected na sa gear-wise at saka sa sistema nila?
Oo, maayos yung sistema nila dahil kapag ikay tatawid dito sa border, Jovi, ay una kang hahanapan ng mga tinatawag na ID validation. PNP ang haharap sa iyo doon, mga naka-facial mask, may mga guantes sila, no? At yung mga nagtatrabaho naman, yung mga empleyado, halimbawa na lamang diyan yung mga sa pagkain, sa grocery, supermarket, empleyado. Minsan may mga manakanakang tumatawid dito, mga nakamotorsiklo sila, kumbaga privado, yung sasakyan nila. At susunod nito ay yung mga kumukuha naman ng nagta-thermal scan. Ito na yung mga health workers, ito yung mga taga-DOH, kumpleto rin sila ng gamit at nagpapaalala naman sa ikatlong bahagi ng pagpara sa iyo yung mga barangay tanod nitong may kawayan na Bulacan at Valenzuela, nagpapaalala tungkol sa social distancing. Kumpleto naman sila ng mga kagamitan, Jovi.
Carlo, kamustahin ko lang din yung ating mga kababayan na hindi nila ma-afford na mag-stay at home at kailangan talaga nilang bumiyahe o tumawid ng border. Kung meron ka mga nakausap, kung kamusta naman sila, alam natin na mahirap yung kanilang pinagdadaanan.
Alam mo, mula nung lumabas yung balita kahapon, Jovi, na ipinagbabawal na nga yung anumang pampublikong sasakyan. Actually, nag-operate nga yung mga tauhan ng Highway Patrol Group, yung HPG, dyan sa kahabaan ng EDSA, laban nga sa mga bumabiyahe pa, ay yung iba ay napilitan ng mag-leave o lumiban muna sa kanilang trabaho. Pero yung mga hindi talaga pwedeng mag-absent, ika nga, yung mga empleyado ng ospital, yung mga nagtatrabaho, yung mga tinatawag natin na mga essentials, humahanap sila ng paraan. Yung isa kong nakausap ay kinausap niya yung, kumbaga, inarkila na lang niya, yung kapitbahay niya na may motorsiklo. Kaya't naiangkas siya at naihatid siya doon sa kanyang paroroonan. Bagamat may issue pa rin, Jovi, ng social distancing.
Yes.
Kapag ikay nakaangkas sa motor, ay medyo hindi mo mapapatupad yung social distancing na tinatawag, Jovi. Pero kanya-kanya ng paraan.
Yes.
Meron ako nakita na isang, bagamat hindi humarap sa atin sa camera at hindi nagpa-interview, pero base na rin doon sa binigay sa aking informasyon, parang nag-carpool sila, mga magkakapitbahay, magkakaibigan ay nagsama-sama na lang sa isang sasakyan para makapunta doon sa kanilang paroroonan. Jovi?
Okay, maraming salamat, Carlo. Again, that was News 5 correspondent Carlo Castillo reporting from Caloocan City. The Philippine Army is deploying military trucks to ferry health workers who need to be at the front lines amid the public transportation shutdown. Army spokesman Ramon Sagala says the AFP will offer the free service from Mall of Asia in Pasay City to Santolan and back. This will go on every day until a regular schedule is determined. AFP Civil Relations Chief Ernesto Torres added that 2 military buses and 4 more trucks will be used to transport health workers from Santolan to Balintawak and vice versa. And meanwhile, the Office of the Vice President or Vice President Lenny Robredo has also dispatched 6 air-conditioned buses to provide free shuttle services for health workers starting today. The first bus will carry passengers from RITM in Alabang to the Jose Reyes Memorial Medical Center here in Manila, passing through PGH and several LRT stations. The second route runs from the Heritage Hotel in Pasay to the MRT station in Quezon Avenue. This will pass through PGH, UST Hospital, United Doctors Medical Center, and the Philippine Orthopedic Center. The third bus will ferry health workers from the Mall of Asia in Pasay City to Santa Lucia East Grand Mall in CAINTA. The route is flashed on your screens. The fourth bus will pass through East Avenue Medical Center, Philippine Heart Center, Lung Center, and Veterans Memorial Medical Center, going from EDSA-MACAPAGAL to LRT Monumento. The fifth route will ply the SM Fairview to Lawton route, passing through East Avenue, Heart Center, Lung Center, Philippine Orthopedic, United Doctors, and UST Hospital. Finally, the sixth bus will transport passengers from Balintawak all the way to the Heritage Hotel in Rojas Boulevard. The Interagency Task Force tweaked the guidelines on international flights. Now, OFWs, balikbayans, and foreigners may fly out of the Philippines through any hub in Luzon anytime in the month-long quarantine period. But they should only travel to airports within 24 hours of the date and time of departure. They should also bring with them supporting documents such as tickets, boarding passes, or flight itineraries to show to authorities manning checkpoints. They will be allowed to travel to airports in a private car. They may be accompanied by one person, again, just one person. The companion should also hold a copy of the passenger's ticket or itinerary. Earlier, the government barred all international flights starting March 20, 2020. The Health Department reported that 2 more Filipinos have died of COVID-19. This brings the local death toll due to the SARS-like disease to 14. PH26 was a 76-year-old male who suffered from acute respiratory distress syndrome and severe pneumonia. He also has type 2 diabetes and hypertension. PH29 was a 67-year-old male who also suffered from ARDS and community-acquired pneumonia. He's also a known hypertensive. Both of them tested positive of the virus on March 15, 2020. Health authorities also recorded 45 new cases of the SARS-like disease overnight, bringing the total confirmed cases in the country to 187. On the other hand, the DOH said 2 more COVID-19 patients have recovered from the disease. So far, 4 people in the country have gotten better from the infection. If you think you're suffering from any symptom of COVID-19, please call this number, 02-894-26843. Again, that's 02-894-26843 or 894-COVID. If you're a PLDT or Smart subscriber, you can also dial 1555 on your phone. Please take note of these very important numbers. And that's the latest on the enhanced and expanded community quarantine here in Luzon. For more updates, follow News 5, The Philippine Star, and Business World Online. I'm Jovi Francisco. We are One News.